Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you log into your Peacock TV account. So if you want to log into your Peacock TV account, you want to open up your app store and you want to then install Peacock onto your device. So once you've installed Peacock TV, you want to click on the install button, and here you go. You will be able to completely install the app, and after which click on the open button. As soon as you open up the Peacock TV app onto your device, you will then be able to see this option as pick a plan or sign in. So click on the sign in button. Now then here you want to type in your credentials and then the password associated with your account. Click on the sign in and then you'll have successfully signed into your Peacock TV account. So this is the simplest thing you could do to sign in or log into your Peacock TV account on your device. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.